Hi everyone, it's GetBlock speaking, and now we're going to demonstrate how the blockchain node is accessed via GetBlock instruments. In this video, we will connect an account of GetBlock API user to Binance Smart Chain, a smart contracts platform by world's leading crypto exchange Binance. In 2021, Binance Smart Chain or BSC garnered attention due to its compatibility with Ethereum, low fees and high bandwidth. As such, it's a go-to solution for early-stage dApps. To start the demonstration, let's experiment with Binance Smart Chain shared nodes. We open our services bar in the upper left of the GetBlock's main page and choose the Shared Nodes menu. Then we open the Binance Smart Chain tab. Please notice that the GetBlock is an official partner of this blockchain. Let's copy the endpoint address to the Postman terminal and choose Post as the type of the request. In the Headers tab, we need to customize the parameters of our connection. To start with, we input XAPI key as a type of our key. To fill the value string, we need to know our unique API key. It has the identifier of our account utilized by GetBlock. It can be copied from your API settings segments of our account main dashboard. Once this is done, we need to customize other settings of our request in this body tab. As we're interested in raw data, we choose raw as a type of data requested, and JSON as a data format. To proceed with our request and to save our time, we need to copy its parameters from GetBlock documentation. It can be found in the documentation menu and available node method section. We find Binance Smart Chain and choose Ethereum block number comment. It allows the user to identify the block head of the last mined block. Let's copy this data to our request field and access the BSC by clicking Send. That's it. The requested data appears in the results string below our request. We can do the same via the command line using WebSockets API method. To do so, we need to copy the WSS endpoint address from documentation to the WSCat string. Then, we input XAPI key and our API account as header, and as we're connected to Binance Smart Chain, let's copy this data from Postman as displayed. Here is the result. Thanks again for being with us, and don't forget to follow.